Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Use one focused 30-minute study block for core input and output practice. Set a timer and commit fully without multitasking. Choose 10 essential words and 2 short phrases to learn by heart, writing each on an index card. Start with listening and repeat aloud for pronunciation and rhythm. Play a short native audio clip twice, pause, and mimic intonation. Read one short paragraph that uses your 10 words. Speak each phrase 3 times, and record one 30-second voice note to evaluate clarity and pace. Listen for 30 minutes to clear, native audio that matches your level. Choose a dialogue or short news clip, and focus only on comprehension and pronunciation. Shadow the speaker for 15 minutes by speaking simultaneously with the audio, matching timing and rhythm to build muscle memory. Write 5 simple sentences using target words and check grammar quickly with a dictionary or app. Keep sentences practical and personal. Read your 5 sentences aloud, then re-record a voice note and compare to the original audio for improvement cues. Review the 10 words and recordings after 24 hours using spaced repetition to transfer items to long-term memory. Set reminders on your phone for day 2 and day 4. Track progress with a simple checklist and log one measurable gain, for example, 30 seconds clearer speech or 2 new phrases used. Reward yourself with a 10-minute break after completing all exercises to reinforce consistency. Repeat this exact day 1 routine for 3 consecutive days, then expand vocabulary by 10 more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.